Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. I just had someone drop off some freshly caught striped bass, so I thought I would make Meen Moilee, a delicious and mild coconut fish curry from the southern Indian state of Kerala. There are a few ingredients to this dish, but most are commonly available in your supermarket. Let's get started. This fish curry doesn't taste like your typical curry dish. It is fragrant and mild, with just a hint of heat from the chilies balanced by the creamy coconut milk. Until next time, bon appetit!